In this video today I will show you how to remove Internet Explorer on Windows 10. Okay, so now follow me. And here I will open the Windows Start and I will try to search the Internet Explorer. Yeah. So you see here, this is the Internet Explorer on my Windows 10 PC. I click on this one to open the browser. Okay. So now for some personal purpose or some another purpose, you don't want to use the Internet Explorer on your PC. So now in this video today I will guide you how to remove it. Okay. So here you open the Start and type in the control panel. Okay, click on this one. Click on Program. Here, in the Program and Feature, click on Turn Window Features on or off. Okay, make this one bigger. Okay, so here in the Turn Window Feature on or off window, you can see we have the Internet Explorer 11. Okay, this one is checked. So now here you just go ahead to uncheck this option. Here, so a warning message will be displayed. It will say turn off the Internet Explorer 11 may affect a window feature. And here, so now here just click on yes button through the confirmation. Here. And then click on the OK button here on the bottom right of the window. Okay, so after that it will automatically do some configuration to remove the Internet Explorer 11 on the Windows PC. Yeah, so here the window has been completed remove the Internet Explorer 11 on the PC. So you have to restart your PC in order to apply the new updates for the Windows feature. Okay, so because here I'm doing the recording the Windows screen, so I don't click on the option restart now. Okay, but on the PC you have to click on restart now button. Okay, so here I close this one. Here, so here after you restart the Windows PC, you try to search the Internet Explorer again in the Windows PC. Okay, click on the Start button and try to type in Internet Explorer. Here, so you see here we cannot find the Internet Explorer anymore on the Windows 10. That means the Internet Explorer has been removed successfully on the Windows PC. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you guys in the next video.